your future vision. Hello, and welcome to this meditation. Please remember not to try to meditate while driving or operating heavy machinery. Through this meditation exercise, you will practice your manifesting superpower. You will have the chance to design and create the reality you desire for your life. Listen to this audio on a regular basis. Find a quiet place where to sit and prepare the environment so it feels comfy and the risk of interruptions is minimized. Sit comfortably on the edge of a chair or on the floor, wherever feels more comfortable for your body. Lift up your spine in a way that it is active but not rigid, as if it were being pulled softly by a string hanging from the ceiling. Close your eyes and focus on your breathing to relax your mind and body. Notice what happens when you breathe in. Notice what happens when you breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let go of any tension in your body. Breathe deeply and consciously, paying attention to the sound of the air coming in and out. Let go of any tension in your mind. Notice any sensations as you breathe in and out, or the lack of sensations. Everything is valid. Send to your body the signal that it's time to relax. Breathe in and breathe out. If at any time you find that your mind wanders away, do not worry. That is completely normal. Your mind needs to be trained to stay calm and still while being awake. And you'll find it gets easier the more you practice. So when this happens, bring your focus again to your breathing. Now, with the help of your imagination, start picturing the future vision you want to attract into your life. Be as specific as possible. Picture the whole scene in your mind. If you can, make a movie of a perfect day. Picture yourself waking up. Notice where you are and what the room looks like. Is there anybody by your side? How do you feel upon waking up? Feel those emotions. Feel also the texture of the bed you are in. Maybe the softness of the sheets Follow up with the next scene. What do you do after you wake up? Who are you with? Where do you go? How do you get there? Go through the whole day, scene by scene. If possible, add sound and color to the images. Make it as real as possible. Who do you eat with? Watch that plate of food in front of you. What is it that you're eating? How does it taste? Where are you? Watch yourself and the people around you having fun, enjoying the moment, laughing if appropriate, being relaxed, flowing with the day smoothly. Describe your perfect day with as much detail as you can. The idea is that you can actually visualize yourself doing all of these things, and more importantly, feeling all of these emotions. Keep visualizing on your own for as long as you want. You can also pause this audio if necessary. The more real this visualization becomes, the sooner you'll see your dreams become a reality. To close your practice, breathe in and out deeply. Slowly start coming back to your present reality and open your eyes softly.